Morning, YouTube. On my way to the shop early in the morning, trying to get this cake. Yeah, I gotta get some work done before I have my son's birthday party today. My son's turning 7. Man, that boy growing up quick. Before you know it, you getting old, bad. But still loving life, man. We chilling. But yeah, show y'all a little bit of some little workflow and then go to the birthday party. A little vlog, you know what I mean? Take it for what it is, whatever. Do the day, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Just got to the shop. About to do some programming, set some pieces up, and then get up out of here, go to this party. I'll probably come back later too, but when you own a business, man, it never stops. You just always working, you know. But the good thing is you work for yourself. You don't gotta call nobody, be like, hey, I'll be late today. You can work anytime, you know what I mean? You come in at 4 in the morning, you can come in this bitch at 10 at night. So that's the good thing about working for yourself. But, you know, has its pros and cons, but shit, ultimately it's been good to me. God's been blessing me, so yeah, man. I'll show y'all a little bit, like a little time lapse of me programming and shit. So that's what it is. Sir, got a lot done this morning. Now I'm on the way to my son's party. 7 years old, man. I'm proud of this little dude. He's gonna be something great in this world. I'm telling y'all. Wait till y'all see him right now. He's excited.
It's not if you have kids.
Got his fresh fit. God damn. But yes, sir. Let's go. Sir, I had to secure the cake. Got the cake. And now we go to it's at Peter Piper Pizza, so I don't know if I said that already, but yes, sir, let's go. What's up, dude?
Hey, Dad.
You having fun? You better be. It's expensive. So how's the party today?
Bomb.com.
Bomb.com?
Baby, it's so annoying. He just wants
How's
to
the
be
party?
in the Shopkins car all day long.
Very demure.
How's the party? Oh, she's too cool. And that guy can't wipe his own butt. I was like,
The reason why
Okay, guys.
you guys ready?
All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kamari. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Blow, Kamari.
Woo! Yay!
Come on. Come on. Kamari. Thumbs up. He's in his own world. That was the birthday party.
It looks good.
Ended up with this scrub in the car and a bunch of balloons.
And some cake.
Oh, we do got the cake. Damn.
We are not gonna eat that. I'm not eating
I didn't eat
that.
that.
I'm not eating that
I
cake. That
didn't
cake
eat
is
it.
nasty.
Is it?
Yeah.
It was nasty.
It was nasty.
Damn, how about that cake? Why you hating?
It was nasty. I'm gonna be so rough.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Until next time.